Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zaki Sandavid and my student identification number is 231092209113. And right now I will read a text for an English assignment. And the text, this is a text. I will start to reading this. 5 innovative building materials in civil engineering. Building material is any substance used for construction purpose, like materials for building a house. Innovative building materials are the need of the hour. Clay, wood, cement, lime, concrete, aggregates, brick, glass, metals are the common materials used in construction. The choice of the materials is based on their cost effectiveness for building projects. Innovative is a broad concept that includes improvement in processes, products, or service. It involves incorporating new ideas that generate change that help solve the needs of an institute and so increase its competitiveness. Innovation is something new, something more effective than the existing technology. Need for innovative building materials. Nowadays, many new emerging innovative materials are being invented, and lots of new materials are being researched. New innovative thinking and new invention are necessary to save lots of our valuable time and energy. The application of innovation to the construction industry is not straightforward. Every construction project is different, which means construction company must adapt their processes and resources to suit its project. The anticipated revolution is construction is gaining momentum. Researchers of various institutes are taking technology to the next level with development in concrete and different other construction materials. Innovative materials. 1. Translucent cement. Normally, you would not expect a dark gray lump of cement to be translucent, but the new material produced so otherwise. Translucent concrete may be a concrete-based artifact with light transmissive properties thanks to embedded like optical element. It is usually made of optical fiber. According to the concrete manufacturer, the optical fiber structure only 4% of the mixture. The light transmitting property makes them appear open, fresh, and spacious. This cement can be used in place of glass, fiberglass, any such transparent material with the strength of cement. 2. Hydroceramic. A recent project at Barcelona's IAAC Architecture School researcher developed a prototype material, a product they call hydrodynamics. It can reduce the internal temperature by as much as 5 degrees Celsius. Compared to the outside level, the cooling effect of ceramic comes from the presence of hydrogel in its structure, which absorbs water up to 500 times its weight. It has an innovative cooling system despite being cheaper and cost-effective. It would reduce air conditioning bills by 28%. Number 3. Pollution absorbing bricks. Developed by Assistant Professor Carmen, the bricks suck in pollutant in the air and release filtered air. The innovative material is meant to be a part of a building's standard ventilation. The center may be a cyclone filtration system that separates out the heavy air particle from the air and collect them during a removable hopper. By performing starter tests, it had been proven that the system can filter 30% fine particle pollutant and 100% coarse particle like dust. The primary advantage of this material is its property of air filtering, which prevent an microorganism from passing through. This prevent the disease to center. Part of its application being ventilation system and such. Number 4, self-healing concrete. Dr. Slangen at Delft University has created a block of concrete that repairs itself when exposed to heat. He demonstrated this technology by tearing apart two pieces of concrete, placing them together, and then heating them up to allow them to melt together. Researchers made use of a type of bacteria that is frequently found near the region of active volcanoes. They have created a bio-concrete that heals itself using this bacteria. Just like the way our body heals injured bone through mineralization, researchers have estimated that it will save about $90 million annually. Number 5, cigarette butt breaks. As the name implies, it's a break made of cigarette butts. Cigarette butts contribute to 1.2 million tons of waste every year. Cigarette butts have poor biodegradability, and it can take a few years for them to interrupt down. During this process, heavy metals such as arsenic, chromium, nickel, and cadmium, which have been trapped in the filter, leaks into the soil and waterways. According to new research, if 2.5% of the world annual brick production assimilated 1% but consent, it might be possible to completely offset annual worldwide cigarette production. As the amount of bad consent increases within the bricks, they become cheaper. It helps to create a lighter and more efficient brick. Finding and observation. Students, researchers, and scientists at top universities and labs around the world are responsible for the access we have to build materials that were hitherto undreamed of. Also, it becomes clear that many things are already changing in the sector concerning the material used in construction. Combining the traditional building material with a modern approach, then a more cost and energy efficient building process will emerge soon. And I finished the reading the text. Mungkin itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan, Miss. Lebih dan kurang saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.